Now, people think rainwater is really clean, right? Well, it depends on what it came off of. A lot of rainwater is infested with, bacteria, viruses. If it's coming off a roof, you don't know what the hell's been up there. But this video is going to have a method of getting absolutely 100% clean rainwater. The problem with rainwater is a lot of times it's coming off the roof and you don't know what the hell's up there, bird shit or whatever, rat shit. But this way, it's a nice clean sheet of glass. It's tilted at 2 angles. There's a bead of silicone along here, and another bead of silicone along here. Okay? And then it all comes down to this point here. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer. So then I just put a jug under here, and the rainwater I get is super clean. It's pure rainwater. Now I'm going to dump the first part of this when it really starts raining to make sure that the rain that's coming out of the sky is clean, because there's a lot of crud in the air too. But after it's been raining a while, it'll be really clean. So we're supposed to get some good rain. Anyway, that's how we do it. And then once this is full, you just dump it into another 5-gallon jug. You can get them free at hardware stores if you can get into the machine. And it's amazing how much water you really get out of this. Now the construction is just some 4x4s that I cut at an angle, and I just siliconed them down to silicone this glass to it. So that's how you do that. Yeah, this will be full. When it starts raining, this will be full in no time. Hey, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want. We got a lot of good stuff coming. Well, this filled up in no time. Rain. It's amazing how much rainwater you get out of this. Look at it go. It's a glass funnel. I don't know where I picked that up, but it's worth a lot of money, I think. "100% clean rainwater." We can overflow. And there we go. Everybody that tries DDAmanda loves it. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, this is just a quick overview of DDAmanda. They've got all the markets covered, NASDAQ, OTC, NYSE, and this is how you find winning stocks, okay? I've used this and it's really, really good. Now, they use AI to find these things, okay? And their core philosophy is to help you make money from trading stocks, all right? We've got some really, really, a lot of testimonials of people that have used it. I love you guys. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. I mean, it just goes on and on. People love this thing. And they have this $8 a day trial subscription that you can check it out with. They have other subscription levels. And they give you free one-on-one training and instant support. And if you're not happy, they give you all your money back. So how can you lose? It's a beautiful, beautiful program.